Mr. Sun, now what percentage of investment, for example, from an AIIB perspective, do you see split between technology and other investment sectors?
You see that the AIIB is a multilateral development bank. So we do not have a certain percentage of the investment split on those technology companies, but we do see the enabled technology infrastructure is a major theme of our investment and project financing. So I think like the Saudi Arabia, they have this vision for the 2030. I think a lot of multilateral development banks, they also set up their own goals. Like AIIB, we also have our corporate strategy goal, which has also set a target for us. One target for us is to on the green finance. So we will provide a lot of projects supporting our clients to cope with climate change. That would include climate mitigation, adaptation. So our target of the percentage of this is that by the year 2025, which is next year, our overall financing portfolio would be 50% of them would be green finance.
Wow,
actually,
50%.
Yeah, actually last year from July the 1st, all our AIIB's project financing would all be aligned with the Paris agreements. So actually we have already all done that. And in addition to that, we also have a percentage target for our cross-border connectivity, which is also involves a lot of technology. That target would be the 20 and 25% of our overall financing by the year 2030. And also, you would know that in terms of the technology investment, there's a large gap where that only the public financing could not fill in all those gaps. So you would need a lot of private sector financing. So one of our percentage targets is that we would like to achieve 50% of our overall financing through project sector financing. So by the year 2030, we're aiming at 50% of our overall financing is going through the private sector financing. So that's also the percentage we're aiming at ourselves.
Exciting news and very promising opportunities as well for our audience members, everybody who would like to collaborate and cooperate with AIIB as well from the private and public sector as well. Chair.